Now you can get a high quality, great value 1300mm single Titan ute drawer from 4-wheel drive Supacentre. Of course it's made with the same heavy duty and tough design as our hugely popular Titan rear drawers. When unboxing, do not attempt to lift the drawer unit by the drawer handles or try to remove the drawers while the unit is standing vertically. The 1300 single ute drawer features double roller bearings, solid galvanized steel frame and marine carpeted top, plus they're lockable and carpeted inside too. Overall, the Titan single ute drawer is 1300mm long, 500mm wide and 270mm tall. The perfect size for just about any ute tub or tray. For a tough, high quality single drawer that'll make your ute more handy on and off road, at the campsite or on the job site, it's got to be the Titan single ute drawer.